Good evening, doctor. This is recording for the evidence-based practice assignment. I am for scenario number 2 through PubMed, which is vaccinating children with MMR cause autism. Now, of course, my P is children. The exposure is the MMR vaccine. I don't have a comparison, but I can consider it to be the group of patients, the group of children who did not receive the vaccine. So I'm comparing vaccine, no vaccine. The outcome is autism. And I don't have so I will go to PubMed. And PubMed, I can directly go to clinical queries, and this is obviously an etiology question. I will keep it broad for now to see how many results. I will go for MMR vaccine. I don't have to write autism because this is PubMed as a smart and embedded. However, I need to check if it correctly mapped it to the right meshes. So I have my first mesh is correct. My second mesh is autistic disorder. This is mesh. Now I ended up with 160. Of course, I start by applying filters. I have chosen the filters of children because our main concern, and I have chosen also to pick adolescents because sometimes some guidelines adolescents are considered children, 13, 14, the term they use it interchangeably, and because sometimes they take the vaccine late, and because maybe some cohorts did a long-term follow-up and autism appeared later after several years, so better to stay safe and take adolescents. I ended up with 68 results, which is not small enough. I will change like broad to narrow. I got 21 results, which is fair enough for me. I can use that. If I want to decrease even further, if I'm really squeezed for time, I can take only the mesh. يعني measles, mumps, rubella vaccine as a mesh term for the brackets, and I can take the autistic disorder as a mesh. So this is the mesh term for autistic disorder. Of course, I have to copy all my limits. The limits are all, I think, this extra bracket. So I ended up with 14, perfect for an EBP. Thank you, doctor.